Why are you throwing away those fruit skins when you can make a delicious detox tea to keep you healthy all winter long? Now, I like to get my produce from the farmer's market. So I get all organic produce, fruits, vegetables, everything. But I still give them a rinse underneath some warm water just to make sure they're clean. I like to chop my fruit up just for different uses, whether it be just a quick snack or use them for smoothies. But those skins and even that core, that pineapple, I save those. Even the skins of the banana peel, I save those too. Everything I'm using that has skins, even the tops of the strawberries, grab a nice big old bowl that's separate from your fruit that you can put the skins in. Avocado, it doesn't matter. Go ahead and save them. I'm gonna show you what to do with those skins. First, I want you to grab the biggest pot that you got for all these skins, boil up some water, and then start dropping those skins right into that hot water. Now make sure all those skins are submerged in that water. Use a wooden spoon to make sure you get them down in there, and then bring everything to a boil. Now it's time to add that magic, the Vital Spice Immune Boost. Add 2 tablespoons of that to the tea. This is packed with ginger, lemon peel, oregano, vitamin C, everything you need to keep you nice and healthy. You can get it from UncleDibbz.com. Simmer that on low for 20 minutes and then strain your tea into a separate bowl. Not only is this tea good for you, it's gonna have your house smelling garden fresh. I love the smell of this tea. Grab yourself a cup and sip your way to goodness. Full recipes available at the link in my bio. That's good, shorty.